Hey friends, it's Todd from Clever Supply. We're just gonna walk through the Sidekick Pro with you here today. We are excited about the different features that we've added to this bag. We think you're gonna love adding it to your kit. So right off the bat, we have our exterior shell, which is wax canvas on the tan and then a 400D Cordura on the black. And we're using weather sealing zips here. So these are YKK zippers, really to give you confidence on experiencing the elements while you're out shooting. We have zipper pocket on the front. We have an open-ended pocket on the back. We have our classic onion stitching detail that you'll see in all of our bags, kind of a nod to heritage bomber jackets that are, you'd see on the interior. Then we have a webbing strap. This goes out to 56 inches, so it should give you plenty of versatility as you're trying to find that right comfort for how you want to carry your bag. And as we open the interior, one of the features that we're really excited about is the Clever Cube. And so the Clever Cube is an opportunity that you have to kind of stash your camera, that may be a smaller camera or just a way to kind of cradle it inside of the open, looser bag. It also creates a little sidewall that helps you protect any other accessories that you want to add. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and walk through a few different kit loadouts. So we got some of the most popular cameras here that we think a lot of you all might have as well. And so we're gonna start with the largest camera that we have in the shop today, and that is the XH2 with the 10 to 24 lens. And so we have the camera cube out here. We're just gonna do a horizontal drop in here, and it fits wonderfully, zips up no problem. So this is gonna be probably one of the bigger, kind of loadouts that you'll see in this 2-liter bag. Another camera that's really popular is the X100-6. We know a lot of y'all are shooting with that. We've got the hood on the X100-6 too, so this is kind of the largest that this camera will be. And we're gonna put the cube in here. We're gonna drop it in face down, and it fits perfectly. Next, let's just assume that you wanna throw a few other accessories in here with your X100-6. So we've got some batteries, and we'll just tuck those to the side. And what's so nice about this is with the camera cube, the batteries don't ever come in contact with the camera. So as you see, these slide in, but you got the sidewall that's kind of protecting any type of other object that's in there next to your camera from coming in contact with it. With this back pocket, one thing that we find that's just really nice is just be able to tuck your phone in there as you're wearing it, just for a quick, easy release. This front zipper pocket, you're able to tuck in something like maybe a wallet, thin wallet, right into the front here, or just really anything else that you want to kind of have in a separate compartment from your camera. I'm going to go ahead and show off a little bit of the black bag. So like I mentioned, this is a new material for us. This is the 400D Cordura. It's PU lined, which means that it's got a polyurethane lining on the interior, which really just prevents any kind of weather from getting in. So the wax canvas is gonna be more of an exterior protection, whereas this one is kind of on the other side of the liner. Let's just say we wanna play with a few other cameras here. So we got a Leica SL3, put that in face down. So that fits in here, no problem. One of the also beefier cameras that we have today. Maybe you want to carry 2 cameras with you. So in this case, I'm going to take out the camera cube. And so we have something like the X100-6. We'll put that in, and then if you really want to shoot some film, maybe I've got a class, and I'm going to be able to just fit that right into the side here. No problem. We'll be able to zip it up, and it fits like a charm. So a few other things we'll just kind of load out. So we got a Q2, and maybe it's important for us to be able to bring some batteries with us. So we can put those in the front wall pockets. Q2 is face down. And there you have it. So I hope this is helpful. We're really excited about this bag. We think you're gonna love it for your everyday kit. And we're really just excited to see what cameras you put into it, how you load it out, how you maximize it, how you use it for your everyday. And yeah, love to answer any other questions that you all have. Thanks.